Hello guys, welcome to one more unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox the case cover for new Apple Watch SE which I bought recently. So I had a Apple Watch for around 40 mm dial display and I wanted to go for a glass case cover, so I bought it online for around 500 bucks. So inside the box you will get the glass case cover which is having a black border. So we will just try to put in like this. So guys, after putting it I realized that there is a thin layer of sticker which is still on the case cover, so we need to remove that first before installing it.
A few moments later.
So I really had a bad time for removing the case back from the watch. Anyway, now we will try to install it step by step with proper procedure. So you have one wet tissue and one dry tissue with you. So very quickly just rub the surface of your watch with the wet tissue and then take out the dry tissue and just clean the surface so that no dust particle is there on the watch. So as you can see, the sticker need to be removed before installing the glass case on the watch. So guys, for putting the cover on the watch, you need to first put the crown side of the case cover and match it with the crown of the watch so that you don't feel any problem while aligning the cover with the watch. So it's very easy and you can see it's installed, but hey, I can still feel some lag on this. Wait a sec. The case looks intact on the watch, but the display is very laggy. As you can see, it's absolute unresponsive, and this is very annoying. Guys, I'm not getting good vibes from this. I think I will return this case cover because it's not helping me anyway. So one thing is for clear, that glass case won't help. I need to go for the silicone one, I guess. Thank you.